Welcome, today in front of me Huawei P60 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first we should open the settings and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ring message and notifications bottom panel, so just to mute notifications we should slide to the left side this white dot with your finger. So by this way we just successfully muted our notifications, but not only them, we also mute the ringtones and the messages. So if you wanna stay with the ringtones and you want to mute only notifications, I suggest you just to unmute this volume panel, scroll down to notification tone and switch your currently tone just to none, and by this way you will mute all of your notifications, but you will stay with the ringtones. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.